Okay, Archie, let's do that. Come on. We're starting the video. Come on.
Hi, Archie. He doesn't do anything. You're like hitting him with it. Stop it. Here, you just gotta put it on his head. You gotta wait, maybe.
Dum dum dum.
Dum dum dum.
Come on.
He's so fat. Savannah, pick him up and show him next to you. See how huge this cat is? This is a 10-year-old little girl.
Humongous.
I can't. It's like a huge hamster. My God. Savannah, say hi to. Oh, Savannah, say hi to Lizzie.
Hello, Lizzie.
Do you miss her?
Yes.
Yes, we miss the Lizzie.
Cute. I almost had on his tail.
Did you know that I met Lizzie when I was your age? Yes. How does that make you feel? Okay.
This
You just can't do anything to this cat. Watch. Okay, this is what we can do to Archie. We can roll him over like Play-Doh. He will stay.
Watch this.
Poke. Poke, Tommy.
Everybody in the world, watch this. What happens to him? I pick him up and put him behind my back.
What are you doing? Are you modeling, Archie?
Okay.
He's so huge. Oh my
I'm his
God.
mother.
Did you birth him?
No.
Who's the father? Who's the father?
Mama.
Mommy's the father. That makes so much sense.
I'll take care of that. You do it. He wants to be a cat.
He is a cat. Everybody wants to be a cat because the cat's the only cat who knows where it's at.
Be a cattier.
A musketeer? Yes. Kick food in their face, Buddha.
Oh, yeah.
Be careful with the poor thing. He can't help it. That's just the way he is. See, out. I'm a hot mess right now. Look at me. I'm a hot mess. They're adorable. That's all that matters. He does sleep with her. They spoon together every night. It gets weird sometimes. I have a weird accent.
Doesn't it get pretty when he does the talk?
Archie, do you have reflexes, darling? Let's see if you have reflexes. Yep, you got your reflexes. He's so cute. I love you.
Fat.
He is very fat.
He weighs 10 pounds.
Really?
I weighed him.